Oyako-don. Here are the ingredients for 2 servings. Bonito uncooked seaweed stock. Pour water in a pot and soak the kombu for 30 minutes. Place on heat until it is just about to boil and remove the kombu. Turn heat off and add the dried bonito flakes. Turn on heat once again until it starts boiling. Lower the heat and then remove the foam. Turn off the heat and strain off a paper towel and a strainer. Do not squeeze, as squeezing can lead bitterness. Finish. Chicken thigh, 100 grams. Cut the chicken in bite size. Onion, 1/2. Slice the onions. Mitsuba, 1 bundle. Cut the Mitsuba in 1 to 2 centimeters width. Cook the rice. Wash the rice and soak in water for an hour. Once the rice soaked in enough water, drain. Pour the rice in a clay pot and add 400 to 450 milliliters of water. Cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Once it starts to boil, lower to low heat and cook for 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and steam for 10 minutes. Finished. Boil the 8 ingredients in a pot and cook the chicken and onions. Crack the egg in a bowl. Pierce the yolk and stir 10 to 15 times. Mix the egg with Mitsuba. Once the soup starts boiling, lower to medium heat and add 3/4 of the egg solution. Leave for 1 minute. Once it starts to boil, gently push the egg to the center. Add the rest of the egg for shyness and remove from heat after 30 seconds. Place the lid and wait for 1 minute. Serve with rice in a bowl. Enjoy. Oyako-don. Again, here are the ingredients for 2 servings.